Having a backup of your website will ensure that you won't lose any content due to an unexpected outage or malicious activity on the part of a third party. You should back up your website often enough to include regular monthly, weekly, or daily backups depending on the frequency of changes you make on your sites. Backing up your website regularly is an essential part of managing a WordPress website. Your site contains every post, comments, links, images that you have ever created. And if something were to go wrong, all of that could just be lost. So, in this SOP, we will help you learn how to get a backup of your WordPress website with using just one plugin. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Valia, and I'm very excited to go ahead and show you how you guys can take a backup of your WordPress website since it is very important. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have landed on your WordPress dashboard, all you need to do is install a plugin. So we are just going to install a plugin that will help us create a backup of our current version of the WordPress website. So all you need to do is go to plugins from your left sidebar and add a new plugin from right here. Awesome. Let's just search for the plugin that we want. And I'm going to go ahead with UpdraftPlus right here. If you have any other backups in plugins that you want to install, you can go ahead with that. I personally like UpdraftPlus, so I'm going to go ahead with that. There we go. UpdraftPlus is right here. So let's just hit on install now. So once it's installed, you can go ahead and activate it. And of course, there's more details on how you can use it, some FAQs, reviews, screenshots. If you want to go ahead and read a little bit, look at the reviews, you can do that as well. So let's activate it. Awesome. Lovely. Once that is done, you will be able to, of course, find your plugin here. Or you can go to settings in your left sidebar and you can see UpdraftPlus Backups written right here. So I'm going to click on that. So as you can see, your first backup, this is something that's going to pop up. To make a simple backup to your server, press this button, or to set up regular backups and remote storage, go to settings. So we are just going to take a backup right now. If you want, you can schedule these backups as well. You can schedule them weekly, yearly, monthly, up to you. So let's back this up. So you will be seeing this particular window popping up right here, this box popping up. So select what you want to backup, include your database in the backup, yes. Include your files in the backup, yes. So I'm just going to hit on backup now. Awesome. So as you can see, they're very helpful. They're guiding you all the way. So it's actually very, very simple. It's a very simple process. Might take some time. All right, so once you come to settings, as you can see, you can schedule your files backup and your database backup every 2 hours, 4 hours, 8, 12, daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. So you can do that over here as well. You can choose your remote storage if you want to put it in your Dropbox, if you want to put it in your Google Drive, or just email it to yourself. You can do that as well. It's up to you. Okay, I think our backup is complete. Awesome. So when we come back to backup restore from here, you can see that the backup date is there. The backup data is there. You can download it. And there you go. You can restore it. So if something happens when you are updating a plugin, updating the version of WordPress, if your site crashes, if the server is down, at least you know that your backup is there and you can just go ahead and restore it. So yeah, we have successfully backed up our database on our WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching the entire video. I hope this video helped you get a backup of your WordPress website as well. If you have any questions, any comments, or any suggestions, you can go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. And of course, if you want to see any other kind of video on our Learn Today channel, feel free to tell me in the comment section. I'm going to be coming up with a lot of WordPress related videos, so stay tuned for that. And go ahead, hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.